What's up, y'all? It's Lauren Hicks-Wilson. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome back if it isn't. And today, I'm going to show y'all my trip to Atlanta. Let's get into it. Don't ever doubt you'll be someone. Always go for what you want. Get up and put your purpose on. Get up, feel the sunshine on your face. Believe that you deserve it all. Put in the work and you will end up far. This is my show and tell. So tell me, are you ready to get it on? So tell me, yeah. So tell me, are you ready? So tell me, are you ready for me? So tell me, are you ready? Tell me, are you ready? Alright, let's get into it. This is me getting ready for my sister's wedding when I bought my outfit that I felt like would be most fitting. And I'm glad that it came together because I was in coordination with my family, y'all. I gotta tell you, I was just as shocked. Check out the shoes. This is me and my sister Zena taking off on the plane on the way to Atlanta. Zena is the sister that does my hair when I don't do it. She's the one that taught me how to do my hair just by watching her. So if you want your hair styled or designed or a wig, anything, she can do it all. Zena did it, y'all. Hit her up. But this is our view of our window seat. Well, her window seat rather, because I always pick a window seat, but yeah, big sis could have it. Here we are on the way from the airport. Me and Zena with all of our bags. I was so ready to get off that plane because the seat was small for the both of us and we was taking turns laying our heads on each other's shoulder. That's my sister Danielle, y'all. Hey Danielle, what's up, sis? Look, she lives out in Atlanta too. But yeah, no leg room, no stretching room, no room on that plane. So to get off and to get in that car, I was excited and elated. Do you hear me? Check out the fit though. And can y'all tell by the trees and everything that's around me that I'm somewhere else? I love coming to Atlanta. This was my third time going, and I get to do something different every time. And this time I actually got the chance to do what I wanted to do for the longest every time I go, visit my auntie and uncle. When I got there, I went live as well and told everybody what I was doing, and I talked about Rasan Patterson. Shout out to the 7th House Jazz. They told me that was the reason why they followed me.
Definitely the godfather to me, you know what I mean? I definitely look up and aspire to sound a little bit like that, you know what I'm saying? Every time I feel insecure about my voice, that's one of the male artists I think about, because I'll be like, should I be singing this high, or should I be singing with this tone? Like, sometimes I'll purposely manipulate my tone.
I love that I can have those heart-to-hearts with everybody that watches my live on TikTok. Yep, we talked about everything, getting secure with my voice and more. We talked about everything from my voice to going to my sister's wedding to my outfit, but let me show y'all the wedding. This is my sister, the bride, and the groom, Charlie, coming down the aisle. There were no cameras allowed to film, but I got a small clip of the bride and groom. Ha 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 ha. Shout out to the DJ. Oops. The food. Let's get into the food. Alright, y'all. The food was cooked and catered by Uno_catering. You can find her anywhere. That is Chef Mel. She's an astonishing cook and an amazing chef to have. So if you want to book her, look her up. She prepared a feast for everyone, and she had a special meal for the bride and the groom. I mean, they got some special stuff. I'm sure some people was hating. They got salmon and stuff. But this is what everyone else had. They had different types of pasta. She had Alfredo pasta, and she also had a vegan/vegetarian tomato sauce-based pasta that was delicious. I had leftovers. Look how she mixed it in, y'all. I mean, she also had this other one that she didn't serve to everybody that I wish she would have. It was the veggies with the teriyaki sauce, y'all. Can you just imagine it? Picture it. The veggies. Oh my God. Look, just the memory alone. Sorry, got distracted. But yeah. Check out the meatballs. They came out amazing. I didn't eat them because they're not vegan, but I didn't see anyone leave a meatball on their plate, so I know they tore it up. Now, right here, you see me coming into the wedding. This is me actually walking in right after I got dressed. So I was making sure the outfit actually came together, and I was shocked. It came together. It really did. This is me and my nephew, London. He is my everything, my godson. I always love being around him because he reminds me so much of myself at that age. There's Zena again, y'all. See, here I am. After the wedding, we walked out to take pictures with everybody. Look, there go my uncle. Look how we wearing the same thing, but just in different colors. Hey, y'all should see the pants he had on. Look, all I was missing was the turban he had on and some glasses. My cousin Ajimo was standing next to him. This is all of the party guests that my sister invited, and it was a big turnout. Really, it was. What's up, cousin? You know, he's really, really tall. He was taller 10 years ago. I don't know what it is, but he looked like he shrunk. There go London again. Get him. Get him. All right, back to the food. Listen, the deviled eggs. Didn't eat these either, but didn't see one deviled egg left on now tray. Even the cooks in the back was picking at the eggs. Like, save some for the actual party. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at the details. She put shrimp on top. Now, you can probably do it like that, but it ain't gonna come out the same because y'all ain't gonna season it the same. It ain't gonna be the same. So, you know, this is her walking out with the tray. And who other than Chef Mel is in a party dress and cooking down to the ground? It was also her birthday. So she just had to. Look at all of the guests. The burgundy and the white set it off. This is Chef Mel's specialty. Just know that this will always or can always come with whatever you get or cater. Those were her corn cakes with the powdered sugar on top. This right here is the ending result of the fettuccine alfredo pasta with the shrimp. Man, oh man, like I said, everybody ate down to the ground. Chef Mel, Uno Catering, check her out. That's her number and her emails. If you want to book her, now you know. So we partied after we ate. Look, there go me and my mom. Look, this is where I get it from. Can y'all tell? Check us out.
That's where I get it from, y'all. That's where I get it from.
It's funny that the Mary song is playing because that's what she always reminded me of with the dancing and style. Look, he totally hijacked my live, but I had to let him. He was doing his thing. Nice guy here. He came in and grooved with this too. Him and his daughter, they were the life of the party. See her right there in the back? She got down the whole night. Up, slide to the left. Bring it back in. Bow. Bow. Bring it back in. Come on. Look, there he go. See, we could have been in a boy band together. We could have. Look, there we go. TLC in it. TLC in it. See, that's where I get it from. You see little mama in the background? Look, here goes my mom coming back in the picture, and we wilding because clearly we don't have no sense. And that was before the drinks. Before the drinks. There's me and my sister Danielle. She is so shy, but she can let loose when she can. You know what I'm saying? She's so much fun. She's so tough. That's my uncle. Another life of the party, and no one is seeing him on the dance floor. He was the dancer to mess with. Okay, let me pull out them old tapes. There go my cousin Kiki. That's my uncle's daughter. Look, there he go. There they go. Love her energy. She is amazing and a light. There's my mom again. I'm glad I got my mom and her little brother on camera dancing together because when I tell you, genetics are so strong because we were all doing the same thing they were doing. Look, me and my sis, Chef Mel. Go sis. Go sis. Break it down. Bow. Ow. I'm telling you, when we come together, we know how to have fun. If we're not talking or speaking, all of that goes out of the window when we finally put it all to side and get it together. I'm sure every family could relate to that. You know what I'm saying? Look, there go the DJ. He had to come from the booth. Oh, I'm sorry. He told me not to call him DJ. He's really a journalist, if I'm not mistaken. Look at my auntie Charlita. Hey, Auntie Char. She was throwing down. She's a chef as well, a nutritionist. Am I saying that right? She's more on the nutrition side. My mom, my sis, and that was Autumn in the background. She knows how to take some really good pictures. I wish I would have got more footage of Autumn and Nisi. My sister had to go. Look, she was like, look, I'm tired. I got to go to work in the morning. And we were still partying. As you can see, Zena with her drink in her hand, not letting it go. I mean, we had a good time. Afterwards, the next day, we went to my auntie and my uncle's house like I wanted to. And we had family time. We had food and that was how my trip went. You know, I got on the plane the next morning and it was all good. I had a really good time. And this is me flying out from Atlanta. And you know what? Not to get off subject, but the earth did look kind of flat when I was flying on the plane. Look, I'm sorry. I love a good conspiracy. Look, just look at it for yourself. Look at it for yourself. All right. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot. Put it down. Put it down. I'm just saying. Oh my God. I'm just saying. But isn't it beautiful? I had a good time in Atlanta. Looking forward to going back. And next time, I'm definitely going back to my auntie and uncle house. And I really hope I can go out there and perform. I really would love that, to share my music and to share more of myself and to see what else Atlanta has to offer. You know what I'm saying? Trip well planned, trip well made. You know I got my tickets beforehand, okay? Look, can't do that kind of stuff last minute. I don't know when the next time I'm going to be out there, but I know it's going to be a great time. Congratulations, Brandon and Shawnee. Thank you for having me. I'll see y'all. You guys, I had so much fun in Atlanta and I cannot wait to go back because I know the next time is going to be even better. And I hope and pray, I believe that I will go out there and be able to share my music and have more fun with the natives to Atlanta. But y'all, catch me in the next video. And anybody that's from Atlanta, let me know your hot spots and where should I go the next time I go out there. And will you chaperone me or will you not? All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.